Hello dear students, welcome back in our online classes of mathematics. Now today we are going to discuss about exercise 15.2. Question number 1 to 5 completed. Now next question is question number 6. The angle subtended by a chord at the center of a circle of radius 3.5 cm is 90 degree. It means first make a circle. First make a circle. The angle subtended by a chord means here one chord is given. Let this chord is AB and angle subtended by this chord is 90 degree at the center, means angle subtended by this chord at the center is equal to 90 degree. Center is O and radius of this circle is 3.5 centimeter. Radius is also given. Then find the area of the minor segment. Find the area of the minor segment of the circle formed by this chord. Means this chord AB. Divide this circle in two parts. Lower part of AB and upper part of AB. Lower part of AB is also segment and upper part of AB is also segment, but lower part is smaller. It means this part is minor segment and upper part is major segment. Area of segment is equal to, formula is pi r square theta upon 360 minus r square upon 2 sin theta. Here radius is 3.5 centimeter and angle theta is equal to 90 degree. Then value is equal to pi means 22 upon 7. Radius r means 3.5. R square means 3.5 into 3.5 and angle theta is equal to 90 degree upon 360. Minus r square is 3.5 into 3.5. 3.5 into 3.5 r square upon 2 into sin theta means 90, sin 90, value of sin 90 is equal to 1. Then this value is equal to 1. 90 1 ja 90, 90 4 ja 360, 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35. Remove decimal, then write in denominator 10. Okay, now again remove decimal, then 1 0 after 10, 5 1 ja 5, 25 ja 100, 5 7 ja 35, 5 4 ja 20, 2 2 ja 4 and 11 2 ja 22. It means we can say in numerator value is 11 multiply by 7 upon 4 2 ja 8. After sign minus, 3.5 into 3.5 value is 12.25 upon 2. 11 7 ja 77 upon 8 minus divide by 2, then 2 6 ja 12, after point 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10. 77 divided by 8, then value is 8 9 ja 72, after point 5 it means 50, 8 6 ja 48, 2 8 2 ja 16 and 8 5 ja 40. 9.625 minus 6.125, then value is equal to 0.3 means 3.500 square centimeter is the area of minor segment. This is the solution of question number 6. Now next question is question number 7. Solution of the question number 7 is, find the area of quadrant of circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Circumference is given and we want the area of quadrant. Quadrant means the fourth part of circle. if we want the area of quadrant, then first we want the radius of circle. Circumference is given. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r and value of circumference is equal to 22. Put the value of 2 into pi. Pi means 22 upon 7 into r. Radius is not given. We can find is equal to 22. R as it is 22. 7 in divide after transpose in multiply and 222 in multiply of r. Then after transpose in divide. 22 cancel, 7 upon 2, then value is equal to 3.5 centimeter. It means now radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. We want the area of quadrant. Area of quadrant means the fourth part of circle. Then area of quadrant is pi r square upon 4. Area of quadrant. Area of quadrant is equal to pi r square upon 4. Pi means 22 upon 7. R means radius. Radius is 3.5 centimeter. Means 3.5 into 3.5 divide by 4. 7 1 ja 7. 7 5 ja 35.5. It means 0.5. Remove decimal, then write in denominator 10. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2 and 11 2 ja 22. Okay, now in numerator 11 multiply 3.5 divide by 4. 11 5 ja 55, 5 carry 5, 11 3 ja 33 plus 5 38. 38.5 divided by 4. Then answer is 4 9 ja 36. Rest part remainder 2 after point. It means 25. 4 6 ja 24. 1 4 2 ja 8 and 4 5 ja 20. 9.625 square centimeter is the area of quadrant. Question number 7 completed. Now next question is question number 8. Question number 8 is the hour hand of a clock is 5 centimeter long. Means now we will discuss about a clock. In a clock 12 6 3 9 1 2 4 5 7 8 10 11. This point is the center of clock. Our hand of a clock is 5 centimeter long. Our hand of a clock is 5 centimeter long. It means we can say if this hour hand complete one circle, then radius of this circle is equal to 5 centimeter. We can say circle subtended by our hand, then radius of this circle is equal to 5 centimeter. Find the area of the sector formed by this hand in 70 minutes. We want the area of the sector formed by this hand in 70 minutes. It means first we want the angle subtended by this hand in 70 minutes. One round, this hour hand complete one round in 12 hours. It means we can say in 12 hours angle, in 12 hours angle subtended by our hand is equal to 360 degree. Then in 1 hour angle subtended by this hour hand is equal to 360 upon 12. It means 30 degree. We can say in 1 hour 60 minutes. Then in 60 minutes, angle subtended by this hour hand is 30 degree. Then in 1 minute angle subtended by this hour end is 30 degree upon 60. It means half degree. But we want the angle subtended by this hour end in 70 minutes. In 1 minute, angle is half degree. In 1 minute, angle is half degree. Then in 70 minutes, angle is equal to half multiply by 70, then value is 35 degree. Okay, now find the area of the sector. Theta is here 35 degree and radius is 5 degree. Then we can solve the area of sector, or we can find the area of sector is equal to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Pi means 22 upon 7. Pi means 22 upon 7. R means radius is 5. R square means 5 into 5. And angle theta is equal to 35 upon 360. 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35. Again 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10. Now 11 2 ja 22, 36 2 ja 72. Value is equal to 11 into 5 into 5 upon 36. After calculation, you can say this value is the area of sector. You can solve. Okay. Now next question number 9. The solution is the solution of question number 8. Now next question number 9. This question is last question of exercise 15.2. Question number 9 is, in the given figure ABCD is a rectangle in which AB is equal to 10 cm and BC is equal to 7 cm. This ABCD is a rectangle and length of this rectangle is 10 cm and breadth is 7 cm. From each vertex rectangle, draw circles of radius 3.5 cm. Means from each vertex of rectangle. Suppose compass fix at point B and make a circle. Again at point C, at point D and at point A. Means these parts are the quadrant of circles. Means 1 quadrant, 2 quadrant, 3 quadrant and 4 quadrant. And these 4 quadrant, when these 4 quadrant are join each or together, then we can say these 4 parts make a circle. We want the area of shaded part. It means if first solve area of rectangle, after subtract the area of 4 quadrant, then the rest part is the area of shaded part. We can say area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is equal to 10 cm and breadth is 7. It means 10 7 is 70 square centimeter. Area of 1 quadrant is pi r square upon 4. Then area of 4 quadrant is equal to 4 multiplied by pi r square upon 4. And radius of this quadrant is 3.5 centimeter, because complete 7, half is 3.5, and also in question radius is 3.5 centimeter given. Then area of 4 quadrants is equal to 4 multiplied by pi r square upon 4. 4 to 4 cancel, then value is pi means 22 upon 7 into r radius 3.5, r square it means 3.5 into 3.5. 7 1 ja 7 and 7 5 ja 35. It means value is 0.5. Now we can say if point remove, then in denominator 10, and here point remove, then in denominator also 10. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2 and 11 2 ja 22, 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35. It means in numerator value is 11 and 7, 11 7 ja 77 upon 2, value is 38.5 square centimeter. Now we want the area of shaded part. It means first area of rectangle minus area of 4 quadrants. Then area of shaded part is equal to area of shaded part is equal to area of circle is area of rectangle is 70 minus area of quadrants is 38.5. Then answer is 31.5 square centimeter is the area of shaded part. Okay, exercise 15.2 completed. Now exercise 15.3 in next lecture. Best of luck.